Alright everybody, so I wanted to make this video for those of you who are having issues logging in to the virtual private network. Um, I usually use it also to access these videos, but I'm also wanted to put this out there for those of you who are having trouble connecting to the private network. So as you saw here on the discussion board, there's these links right in the frequently asked questions section that will give you a step-by-step kind of tutorial, and there's also a video that'll show you how to access the private network. But of course, I guess an easier route, right, would be to log in through the UTEP library website. And of course, there's a link here to access it, where you just kind of enter your login, your credentials, right, to find the information. You can also just go straight to the library website, right? So you go to libraryweb.utep.edu. And so what you're going to do is you're going to go to the search bar, but make sure you go to the second search bar, right? Because this first one is for EBSCO, the EBSCO server, right? And this one's the more generalized search toolbar, right, for the UTEP library. So what we're going to do here is, for instance, one of the first films that you're going to be watching for the second week is The Ascent of Women. And the episode we're looking at is Separation, right? Because it's part of a larger documentary series, right? So if you just type The Ascent of Women, you'll get a whole bunch of other documentaries within that series. But I want you to look for just the one that's called Separation, right? When you go to search, you'll find and you'll know it's the film because it has this icon here with the film reel. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and click on this. And we know it's the film because right here we see that it's part of the series, right? The Ascent of Women. And to actually watch the film, we're going to click on this area right here in the gray area where it says available online. Click right where it says to access this source. And it might ask you for your login credentials, like your ID and your password. So if you need to enter that information, I would say go ahead and do that. And let's do another example here. So another film that we're going to be watching this coming week, right, is the Transgender and Gender Identity, the Clinical Conversations documentary. So you could do is you can actually type out the title in the search bar there, right? And of course, we know it's this one, right? Again, there's two streaming films, but of course, there's only one that we know of, right? That's called Transgender and Gender Identity, which is the one that we want to look for, right? And those are the only two results. So we'll click on that. And again, click on to access the source. And there is your film. So once again, if you are having problems, any other problems aside from this, like you can't access the website at all, it sounds like it might be a tech support issue. And if it's something that I can help you with, once again, I just really recommend you contact them, help desk at utep.edu. That would be one avenue. You can also call them on their number. But once again, I hope that this was helpful, and thank you for being patient.